what's going on, everybody? It's RG Fam Reacts here with another music reaction. I'm Alex. This is RG. Did you know that RG's an acronym? Let's not get into that. We'll talk about that later. But what are we doing today?
We are continuing our series of actors, actresses from Hamilton and their original music. So this video is going to be Jasmine Cephas Jones.
Is that the one chick who sings Satisfied?
No, this is Peggy.
Is this Peggy? Okay.
This is Peggy.
I knew it was one of the two.
Peggy and then Mariah Reynolds.
What?
She's in the second act. She plays the one that Hamilton had the affair with.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah. So she's got a pop album out this year. She is engaged to Anthony Ramos.
Oh really?
Yeah. So Hamilton brought them together, so they are a pair. There's actually a really good video on YouTube of them doing a clash, not a clash, I don't know what you call it, a mix up.
Yeah.
There's a song from the 80s called Higher Love, and then they mixed up with some modern pop song that you would know the words to, or two of them or three of them. Actually really good. I actually thought about doing that instead of this song, but I thought we'd do her original stuff. So we've done Anthony Ramos. You didn't really like that so much. You thought it was a whatever boring pop song. We did Clipping. You really didn't like that song.
Nope.
So maybe Jasmine Cephas Jones will win you over.
Maybe. She did not have a big role in Hamilton.
She did not have a big role.
Do you think she should have?
Well, she was good. I mean, she was good with what the parts that she had.
She was alright.
Yeah. So without further ado, let's check it out. Here is Jasmine Cephas Jones' Little Bird.
Young Pueblo. Okay.
I don't know who that is.
Little lady sitting there, world at her fingers while she combs her hair. Looking through the mirror, lost in wonderland. Uncomfortable in her skin, pick a color to box her in. Too scared to let the fire out. So I said, just a minute, it won't be long. Just a minute till you fly. So I say, oh, just a minute, it won't be long. Just a minute till you wish I could tell you who breaks your heart.
What do you think so far?
The beat is so much better than that last song, and it's so much chiller.
Yeah.
It's a really chill beat.
Yeah,
And,
so it's a very chill vibe.
Yeah, I'm kind of getting some Adele vibes from her,
Okay.
but like a little bit more soulful.
Yep. Yeah.
She's got a good voice. Yeah.
She's definitely got the ability for some vocal acrobatics,
Yes.
so to speak. So,
Some of those high notes, because she's got a lower voice for a girl.
which she can go to the lower range. She
Yes,
can
yeah.
go to both. Yeah.
Mhm. She can get as high as some people though, but still.
I'm sure she could. She's a
Oh,
professional.
the grass is greener when you turn above.
Okay.
She life will bring you down, but your fire is blazing now. So I say, just a minute, it
solo.
Just a minute.
Yeah,
That little guitar solo.
yeah, you don't see that in pop a lot.
Just a minute till you fly. So I sit up, just a minute. It'll be long till you
And there we go. That is Little Bird by Jasmine Cephas Jones. What'd you think?
It was pretty good. The guitar solo is really unique to me because you don't see that in pop a lot
Right.
at all, and it really like it made a difference in that song, and like that's gonna bring it up like a lot.
Well, and I actually think the whole song sounded like it was actually instruments.
Yeah, the
which
beat was
is-
a lot better. Drums were it's just basic pop drums. That's what they use, which is fine. It's what you expect.
It was a cool, chill, sultry, kind of soulful track.
Yeah.
Um,
The only thing
no boy.
I have a slight problem with is when she sings the fly part. I'm like, her voice kind of gets raspy.
You don't like her falsetto?
No. Okay, yeah, kind of. I don't. Because it kind of gets raspy a little bit, and that's kind of what I was saying about the higher parts. But she does get up there sometimes.
Yeah. It's just
that
her,
one part.
It's just her falsetto.
Just that one part.
I
Dude.
think it's fine.
Just that one part.
Yeah, no, I mean, I really liked it. Out of 10, what do you think?
It's a 7,
A 7.
and that guitar solo brings it up to a 7 from a 6.
Okay. I'm right there with you. I call it a 7. I mean, it's a solid song. If I had a chill playlist, I'd have the song on it. You know, it's like a background, like
Homework
just
thing, study it.
yeah, just really chill. But I liked it. I'm curious to see what her other songs sound like. I mean, you mentioned kind of Adele in a way, and yeah, I'd be interested to see are all of her songs going to be, you know, with all real instruments and kind of that soulful stuff. If so, that could be like a really good album. So
Yeah.
let us know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Is there another song by her we should do? Let us know. And that's it. We will see you in the next video. See ya.
There's an acronym from a far place. It's RG. You won that.